there, design enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where today we're diving into the elegant world of luxury interior design. We've got 13 breathtaking living rooms to showcase, each one an epitome of contemporary grace and sophistication. So get comfy and let's explore what makes these spaces so special. There are soft off-white colors painting a canvas of tranquility across each room, creating a calm that's both inviting and chic. These living rooms are a testament to the beauty of simplicity and light. With floor-to-ceiling windows, the dance of daylight plays across the room, enhancing the sense of openness and airiness that's at the heart of this design philosophy. Now, let's talk furniture sleek. Yes, but also warm. Modern pieces with clean lines boast brass trimming that catches the eye without overwhelming the senses. And let's not forget the coffee tables strategically placed as centerpieces, flaunting stone tops that add a textured, contemporary twist. The luxury minimalist decor approach ensures that each chosen item, whether it's a book or a vase, adds a splash of personality without causing chaos. The area rugs, light and elegant, define the seating zones, providing a soft juxtaposition to the polished stone or high-end porcelain flooring beneath. Friends, each living room we're exploring today tells a story of understated elegance, where the luxury is in the details. From the quality of materials to the neutral color palettes, these designs craft living spaces that aren't just seen but felt. So if you're dreaming of a serene sanctuary or gathering inspiration for your next home project, remember, it's all about creating harmony with colors, letting light be your guide, and choosing quality over quantity. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow design lovers. Stay inspired, and we'll see you in the next one.